Hey guys, another quick video for you. Something I did not know about these vintage machines is if they pull to the left or to the right, there is a little knob up here. If it's pulling to the right, turn this dial to the left. If it's pulling to the left, change it back to the right. And when you sew, you're go completely straight. If it does not do that, you've got to turn that little knob up there to make it sew straight. So this is just a FYI, so you guys will know if your machine's doing funky stuff, how to fix it. But anyway, like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Later, guys.